How to lose weight fast. Creating a low-calorie eating plan that you can stick to for a long period is the greatest method to lose weight and keep it off. Additionally, exercise on a daily basis to burn calories and keep your heart in good shape. There are many tactics and tips you may use to assist you meet your short-term objectives if you just want to lose a few pounds quickly. Method number 1, experiment with specialized diet plans. The Mediterranean diet, for example, may be able to help you maintain your weight loss. It is inspired by the traditional ingredients and culinary techniques of those who live near the Mediterranean Sea. According to studies, people who follow this diet have a lower risk of heart disease, and it also helps you lose weight and look lean and trim. Avoid bread, dairy, and processed foods if you wish to try the Mediterranean diet. Instead, base your meals on the foods below. They didn't have time to bake cupcakes or fry potato chips when cavemen still dominated the earth. The Paleo diet, short for Paleolithic, aims to reproduce the cuisine of our forefathers and mothers, saying that our bodies aren't designed to handle modern ingredients and cooking methods. You eat meat, vegetables, fruit, and other items that would have been accessible at the time, but avoiding anything that Paleo people would not have eaten. Tip: no artificial sweeteners or grains are allowed. The goal of this diet is to exclude all processed foods from your diet for 30 days in order to cleanse your body of artificial substances and other processed meals that are difficult to digest. You may also notice a smaller waistline and increased energy levels after 30 days. Tip: grain, dairy, sweets, legumes, alcohol, and any processed foods should be avoided. Consumed meat, veggies, and fruits. Also, make sure you drink enough water. This one is for you if you don't like meat and don't want to cook. The raw food diet consists exclusively of foods that have not been cooked. You lose weight by eating a lot of fresh fruits and veggies. The raw food diet also allows coconut milk, almonds, seeds, and other uncooked foods. Tip: searching the internet for recipes for delicious raw food dishes is a good place to start. A long-term raw food diet, according to dietitians, can decrease essential nutrients. That's it for today, folks. We will see you in the next video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and smash that bell icon.